Welcome to Central United Church Basic Computer Training Class. This is week 1 where we're going to be looking at the right and left click, managing desktop, and also the tray here at the bottom. First of all, speaking of the tray here at the bottom, I want to get rid of it. And I'm going to show you a little magic trick here. As you see, most computer users have this thing stuck there. Some of them don't know how to get rid of it. Some of them like it there. Personally, I like to get rid of it. So let's get rid of it. Right click on it, go to properties, and you look that auto hide taskbar is not checked. Do yourself a favor and check it. Click apply. Wait for the hourglass to finish its thing to load. Click OK, and you'll notice that it's gone. So what we want to do to get it back is we just drag the mouse down like this, hover over it, and it's there. To keep it there, you left click right here, and it'll stay. So that's how you save the taskbar. That's how you make it disappear. I just left clicked in this space here and it made it disappear. Okay, desktop. Let's do this quickly, and we're going to go, if you right click on your desktop in a blank spot and arrange by, you can have all these icons here arranged by name, size, type. You see that all the same ones, these are all file folders, these are Word programs, files, and they all stay together. And you can arrange them by size, you can arrange them by name, which is alphabetical. Okay, so another thing I want to show you is how to make a new folder. And that you just go down to new, okay, right click, new folder. Now, don't touch anything. See the blue there and the white name? You can type right over top of that. So I'm going to put photos to sort. Now I have a file folder there that I can dump photos in and at my leisure. Now, one other thing I want to show you with this desktop, you can notice that I can move this around freely. If you cannot do that, you must go here to control this desktop and make it your own. Go to properties and, go to arrange by. And if you look in here, so I'm going to right click, arrange by, make sure that auto arrange and align to grid is not checked. Make sure there's no check mark. If it is, there I just checked it and right click, there we go, right click and arrange by. See, there's a check mark there, just click it and it takes the check mark out. So that means that gives you control that if you want to work on this one here, you can drag it over. If you want that one there, I like to have them so that when I come back the next day, it's right there and it reminds me that I'm working on that folder. It's up to you. There's for new, and you can sort through all these different things that you have in there, and we'll be discussing that later on in the course. But that's basically manage the icons on your desktop. To manage your desktop, okay, you want to go to right click and go to properties, and these are all different themes you can, and check them out. They're different color themes that you can look. You'll see the Microsoft which always has the blue up here. I want to show you desktop. Now, in desktop, you get a preview box, which is this box here is your preview. So if you want to change the background, which is the background here, like this blue is your background, you can have that one there. You can pick whatever one you want, and you can try it. So you're going to click apply, and there's your background. Or if you want autumn, you can click apply for autumn, and you can so on and so forth. If you don't, and if you want that center, you just want it in a small screen. If you want it tiled, which does it in the squares, it's kind of ugly. Personally, I like the stretch one. So if you want a photo of your own, you're going to have to find where the photos are in your computer. And I'm going to see if I can find mine. I don't keep photos in this part of my computer. My documents, let's see. My pictures, I can use these ones here. I've got a sunset photo there. I'm just going to click on it, click on open, and there's the view of it. I'm going to click apply, and there we go. There's my sunset photo, right, for my desktop. I don't want that right now because I'm going to right click, properties. I'm going to go to desktop, and I'm going to scroll this up, and I'm going to click none because I don't want any there. And I'm going to change the color to white. I'm going to click apply. And there we go. So white. It's easier for me to see for training. So that is your desktop. Play around, scroll around. And here is something else I want to show you. This is your task manager, your taskbar. And you want to click properties. And these are different things that you're going to sort around. You can look at your start menu and see you want your classic menu. Some people like the classic, some people like the start. As long as you don't click apply, you can play around in here and just check out the different things. Show the clock, that'll be over here if you want to show the clock. If not, uncheck that. And there's a quick launch. So I'll leave everything like that. Quick launch. You'll see the quick launch is over here, and the quick launch is these things here. It brings up your Internet Explorer, to get on the internet, media player, whatever programs that you have down here. As WordPad, I've dragged down there, and how to get programs down there is I can take this down here, drag it, I'm left clicking, and I pull it in. And I let it go, and there it is there. So, and to get it out, I just drag it back out. So that's how to do that. And over on this side, you'll see your clock, your antivirus, your sound thing usually. It's your different volume, and of course you've got a search bar here. So all in all, that's your task tray, and that's what you want to do. You want to practice, click around. As long as you don't click apply, nothing will change. If you want it to change, click apply, and have fun.